Hello, I'm Mark Wheaton with Friedrich Air Conditioning, and I am actually here to talk about our PTAC line. We actually have a good, better, best offering with our PTACs. This one is our PTAC Select, which is our base model. Great. It's quiet by design, and it comes with diamond blue coating. It is an incredible unit for any new or replacement project. We also do have two other PTAC lines. The fresh air, we have the fresh air PTAC, which is our top line, and then we have the PTAC Premier.